Hello friends, I am on my mobile screen and today I am going to show a very cool feature which was introduced in recently by Fabian in Odoo Community Days India. That is, create your product quickly, inside POS by reading the, uh, barcode library. So API connections are already made available. What I am doing is I have few books available on my desk and I am creating those as an inventory. Okay, so what I will do is I will just click on this barcode app and reading this book barcode. So the product name is made available directly over here, and then I can create a new product category and then edit over there. I can also create a new product very quickly, like this is the product and then I'm scanning its barcode. So see, the game changers is quickly made available, and then I am saving it and it will be now available when I do the next time book section over here. So a very good feature, like creating your products by reading the barcode with its image, title, description, everything. You can make it available over here. So I just go into, I'm switching the product view. I'm going into backend and coming in again to see how my product is loading over there. And then now I'm continuing selling. So launching my POS again on my mobile. So see, my product is made available over here. Thank you very much, guys.